Hey guys, Dr. Paul coming at you again from Bridge Chiropractic. Hey, my message of the day, I had a patient in today asking me about arthritis, saying, isn't that part of the aging process? Aren't we all eventually going to have arthritis? And I'm here to tell you that's not factual, that's not true. So let's break the word down, and then I'm going to help you better understand what's happening. So arthritis, if we go to arth, that's joint, and itis is inflammation. So that's joint inflammation. Just like if we have bronchitis, we have swollen bronchioles, colitis have a swollen colon. And so it's inflammation in a particular area. So what happens particularly in joints, right, arthritis, is we have a joint that's subluxated. It's not moving ideally. It's not moving the way it was created to move. And that lack of movement breaks down function or performance. And then that continues, that lack of function or performance causes inflammation and irritation. And that inflammation and irritation is what's causing the arthritis in that joint, from it not moving and being subluxated ideally. So if we take a look at the spine, this is a normal, healthy, ideal spinal segments here, right? And so that's healthy. It's going to move and function the way it's going to supposed to be. The disc between them is going to stay puffed up and tall to keep pressure off the nerve when that joint has proper alignment and proper movement. But life happens, right? We have sports injury, we have car accidents, we have repetitive poor postures. I have my tech neck. We're seeing tons of teens come into our practices with reversal of their cervical curve from tech neck. And we're even seeing early arthritic changes in those same kids because it's been that way for several years in that stuck lack of normal healthy position. So what happens is that healthy joint over time, right, this doesn't happen overnight, but over time with that lack of motion, that joint becomes arthritic and worn out. And that's where we'll get these osteophytic spurs forming around the joints, and the body's deteriorating. You can see how that disc will also get smaller. Our discs are a white tissue, right? In order for them to stay healthy, there has to be movement. And so I'm just here to help you understand and explain that arthritis is not normal. Otherwise, as we age, every entire joint in our body would become arthritic and worn out. But yet it happens in specific areas where there's been injury or trauma, that joint's been subluxated, not moving the way it's supposed to be, and that's the result in arthritis. So that's your fact for the day. Understand how the body performs and functions in order for you to stay as healthy as possible. Make today better than yesterday.